What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter from Panda here, trying some MRE desserts. This is one I've been pretty excited about. It's a cherry turnover by Bridgford. You can see nutritional information here. Got to use it by 2021 anyway, so why not today? Hey, so I'm just going to peel this open. I'm sure you could heat this sucker up. Now, these turnovers are a little bit like Pop-Tarts or strudels to me. They're about the same size, you can see here. You know, kind of a flattened, almost like shortbread, and you can see here, really heavy cherry filling, kind of streaming out, even soaking through. So it's a little bit, we don't want to eat that. We break it open here. You can see it. It's kind of like a breakfast food. Delicious, sugary, like cherry, almost jam type of filling in there. That's good. Makes an awesome side. Perfect dessert. You can eat them like this, room temperature, straight out of the package. And they're light. I mean, delicate crumble. They break apart easy. If you heated this sucker up and it came out piping hot, I bet that would even make it that much more odoriferous and maybe even a little more delicate. That's great. This bread, this dough, it's kind of dense. It tastes like a kind of a compacted cinnamon roll type of pastry, but really awesome. This is what it's like. If you like cherries, if you like sweets, and you got to eat on the trail, pick it up. I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter from Panda out.